Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, we can create this kind of lighting effect in Photoshop. We don't need to import any lighting image, we can do it ourselves. And you see that we are also on text. That is, it can create lighting effects for text. And you can create such an effect on a human image. So let's start the video. So a new document with whatever height or width you want. Or whatever resolution you want. But make the background content black and create it. And make a duplicate layer of it by pressing Ctrl+J. Then go to Filter Render Difference Clouds. Apply it. And once again apply this filter. And we'll invert it by pressing Ctrl+I. Create a layer of hue/saturation. Check Colorize box. And almost blue will adjust here. You can adjust its saturation to 75 up to suit your document. Below the layer on which we rendered the clouds, we have to create a blank layer. If you create layer by pressing Ctrl, it will be created below layer with clouds. The blend mode of the layer with clouds will do color dodge. Select an active blank layer, pick brush tool. Make sure foreground color is white. The hardness of the brush is 0%. Adjust size of brush accordingly. Opacity is 3%, flow 10%, smoothing 5%. Now we set the brush size here. If the brush size is small or large, here we will give the stroke. And so your lighting effect will start to be created. If you see white edges outside, select an active clouds layer, then go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Make radius up to 0.5 pixels, then hit OK. Now we write any text here. Now click on FX icon to add a layer style. Click on Outer Glow and look at text. Blend mode is screen, but make opacity only 1%. Increasing or decreasing size will also decrease or increase effect of the light. If you decrease the range amount, it will move away from the text. And the more you increase the range amount, the closer the effect will be to the text. Now it's up to you to play around with different contours. You can keep the contour that suits you. After that, you write any text here. The same effect will be applied to text, and if you move it anywhere, and wherever you move the text, this lighting effect will also move. We see this method by applying it to an image. And the image looks like this because it's under the clouds layer. That is why the image is unclear. So first we adjust the image on the document. And after adjusting the image to the document, make a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Press Ctrl+ to move layer at top. By selecting the bottom layer, we give it an outer glow. So this blue lighting will go over the image. We can adjust its color as per our wish. So according to the colors of the image, if such a color we choose for lighting. Press Ctrl+L to open levels and adjust the colors of the image. You can link these two layers by selecting them. So wherever you move the image, the lighting effect will also move along. So create a lighting effect like this in Photoshop and apply it on your image. Or want to create this lighting effect on text. And you can change the color of the effect as you wish. Or depending on your text and image. So in this way we can create lighting effect in Photoshop, apply to objects or wherever you want to apply. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.